Hello students, you are learning your general science with your Yogita Miss. Okay, let's start our lesson number 8, pollution. In the last lecture we have discussed many types of pollutants and how this pollution, what is pollution and how it is occur. Now in this chapter we are discussing about the air pollution. Before that we are discuss some questions. Here the questions are asked, that is plot a graph showing the proportion of various gases in Earth's atmosphere. Here I have given, that is the proportion of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide and other gases, and their bar graph is showing here. Then second question, why is it that, said that air is homogeneous mixture of different gases? Because air is a mixture of many gases, and with the separate method they can be separated. So therefore air is called as a homogeneous mixture, which different hazardous gases are released through fuel combustion, such like the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrates and various oxides of nitrogen are released in the atmosphere. Now the reasons of air pollution. There are many reasons of air pollution, but two main reasons are the man-made and the natural reasons. In the natural reason, volcanic eruption, earthquake, cyclones and dust storm, forest fires, microbes in air. Through these various gases, poisonous gases are mixed in the air and they causes air pollution. Man-made reasons through the burning of fuel, coal, diesel, petrol, LPG, these are burning of these releases carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, lead compound, etc. released in there. Again, the burning of solid waste, the waste which are going out from our houses, domestic waste, industrial waste, they are burning. They burn, and the burning of agricultural waste, we are already know that in the now the Delhi government started to how to manage the solid waste of agriculture waste, that the farmers spray some chemicals on the husk of the wheat, and it is then convert into the manure. It is the best solution for to get rid of this air pollution because of the agriculture waste. In open space causes industrialization, then the atomic energy plants and blast, because they use the uranium, thorium, graphite, plutonium, and they cause the air pollution. Now come to on the next slide and come to on the page number 56. Here internet, my friend, preparing in the peeping in the history, and do you know it is excluded from your syllabus. Here the questions of what is importance of ozone layer. The last can you recall, answers are given here. What is the importance of ozone layer? The infrared and ultrared rays, and continue from here including plants and animals. Okay, and what are the reasons for depletion in the ozone layer? That is, the chlorofluorocarbon are air pollutants which are responsible for the destruction of ozone molecules, because these chlorofluorocarbons is used in our AC air conditioners, our refrigerator, and because of this ozone layer is very weak. The destruction of ozone molecules, and these substances we use as coolants in this refrigerator, aerosol sprays, in the propellants, jet propellants में use होता है, because of this our. Now here different air pollutants are given in the slide. Look at here, air pollutants, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, their sources, where from they and effects of this. Suppose sulfur dioxide, it is come from the factories. Effects: irritation of eyes, respiratory tract, excess mucus, cough and breathe. Carbon monoxide, vehicular industrial smoke. oxides of nitrogen, vehicular smoke again, particulate matter, vehicular and industrial smoke, dust, pesticides, methane gas. These are all effects on our respiratory tracts, especially. Some methane gas causes skin cancer, asthma, and the respiratory diseases. Effect of air pollution on plants also, not only on the human but on the plants also. What is the effect on flora and fauna? That is, stomach get closed, slowing down. When you are observed at the roadside trees, they are already covered with the dust particles and the smoke. That's why their stomata get closed and they can't process the photosynthesis process, and they are not making food, and when as they are not making food, they not release oxygen so much in the air, and therefore the intent of carbon dioxide is maximum in the atmosphere. Growth is retarded, leaves fall off or become yellow. These are the many reasons of the air pollution on plants. Animals having many adversely affected respiratory and irritation of eyes diseases. Now come to on the slide. Now the first one is a depletion of ozone layer. How depletion of ozone layer